Ready to transform your designs into vibrant masterpieces using the magic of gradients and color in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start with the basics. We'll begin with a simple shape first. Select your chosen shape, then navigate to the Properties panel, generally located on the right side of your screen. Here's where the color action happens. See the fill option. Click on it. You'll find choices for solid color, gradient, or no fill at all. Choose gradient from the drop-down menu. Welcome to the gradient panel, where the real fun begins. Illustrator offers pre-made gradients, instantly adding depth and dimension. Have a look through the presets to test out the styles. Now, let's customize. Click on any of the color stops below the gradient slider. Those are your color control points. Double-click the color stop to bring up the color picker. In the color picker, choose your desired color. Repeat this process for all the color stops to create your perfect custom gradient. Experiment to get the colors you need. Next, adjust the direction and style of your gradient. Drag the stops along the slider to change the blend and get exactly the look you're after. Experiment with the angle tool to direct the gradient. Play around with the other panels and experiment to the fullest. And that's Gilaxing. Now go forth and create stunning designs bursting with color and flair.